Okay, hello guys. Thank you for joining this video. We are going to create a virtual environment that will help you create projects without having external interference with other packages, especially for those who are using Python. If you're creating a Django project, you'll definitely need a virtual environment. In this case, I'm going to create a folder. Let's say create VL. So let's get into this folder, create VL. It's in this folder, we are going to create a virtual environment. So what are we going to do is we are going to use Python. Ensure that Python is installed in your machine. So we are going to say Python env, then let's make it, we can say virtual environment. Then the name of the virtual environment, we can say my environment, and click enter. Once you're going to click enter, you're going to create a virtual environment by the name my venv. So if you click ls to see what's inside that folder, create vr, you're going to see my environment, my env. You just created a virtual environment, but in this case it's not active. As you can see, we cannot see that the virtual environment is active. So how are you going to activate the virtual environment? So you say source, then the name of the virtual environment that you created, my env, then you say bin / activate. Once you hit enter, it's going to activate it. As you can be able to see here, you have activated the virtual environment. Inside this virtual environment, there is no package that has been installed yet. For instance, if you were to install a Python package like Django, let's say pip3 install Django and hit enter, we are going to create a fresh Django uh, framework inside the virtual environment that you have created. It is not going to interfere with any version of Django outside of this virtual environment. And that's how you're able to create a virtual environment independently to create that specific framework or software that you're going to build. So thank you very much for joining this video. Looking forward to the full course of Django and other projects as we continue. Thank you.